Imagine meeting a Japanese friend for the first time or joining a Japanese class. What's the first thing they will ask for? Yeah, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself, right? So let's learn self-introduction in this super simple lesson. Let's go. In Japan, introducing yourself called Jiko Shokai, and it's really a big deal because it's the first step to building friendships or working relationships. Don't worry if it's intimidating right now. Today I'll break it down into smaller steps and you will be able to introduce yourself in Japanese. The very first thing you want to do is greet them by konnichiwa or hajimemashite. Konnichiwa is hello and hajimemashite is nice to meet you. So hajimemashite. Next, you want to tell your name. My name is this. Watashi no namae wa something this. For example, watashi no namae wa Rohito desu. Okay? Third, you want to tell where you come from, right? I'm from India. Indo kara kimashita. Indo means India. Kara kimashita, came from. Indo kara kimashita. Next, you want to tell about your hobby to make the relationship to be remembered for future. You would say, my hobby is shumi wa, for example, to play piano. Piano o hiku koto desu. Or to listen music, ongaku kiku koto desu. Right? Finally, you end your introduction with Dozo yorishiku onegai shimasu, which roughly means please take care of me, or it's a polite way to say we are looking forward for having a good relationship. Let's see a play where two persons are talking in Japanese and introducing themselves for the very first time. Watashi no namae wa Ken desu. America kara kimashita. Shumi wa eiga o miru koto desu. Dozo yorishiku onegai shimasu. Hajimemashite. Watashi no namae wa Rohito desu. Indo kara kimashita. Shumi wa piano o hiku koto desu. Dozo yorishiku onegai shimasu. Let's practice. I'll say blue, you will say red. Hajimemashite. Watashi no namae wa desu. Kara kimashita. Shumi wa desu. Dozo yorishiku onegai shimasu. Write your version in the comments. I would like to see how you introduce Japanese. A fun tip: if you're with your friends, you can be a little casual and you can say yorishiku ne, which literally same means yorishiku onegai shimasu. Congratulations, you have learned how to self-introduce yourself in Japanese. And let me know what's your hobby, by the way, in comment section down below. If you have liked the lesson, do like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon button so that you always being updated for the next video come up. Mata ne!